In the previous video I explained about the neutralization reaction. So children, so up to now you didn't subscribe my channel, then go and subscribe my channel and watch for the videos, for latest videos. Subscribe my channel please. And now here today I am going to explain how we can find out the nature of the solution. So in this case, when we have number of solutions, how we can find out the with one activity, by using one activity, how we can find out the nature of the solutions. Clear? Generally by using some indicators we may find the acid or base, but here one activity is there. Based upon that, how we can find out that? So for that, first we have to prepare the, here simply now today's topic is what? Finding the nature of the solution. Nature of solution with one activity. In that we have to take first different type of beakers. So in that we have to prepare some solutions. Just I am taking HCl, H2SO4 and C6H12O6 glucose and C2H5OH. C2H5OH. That means we have to prepare the different type of solutions. Hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, glucose and alcohol. So now we have to decide them with one activity. Clear? So for that there is one experimental arrangement, it is there. For that we have taken one glass beaker. This is the one glass beaker. Glass beaker is there. In that we have to fix two graphite rods. So from that graphite rods we are giving to two wires. They are given to two wires. Here from that wire we are giving to some battery now, 230 volts battery, and from that we are giving some here bulb, electric bulb, and now we are giving like this. This is the experimental arrangement of the beaker. Now this is the graphite rod and this is the beaker, glass beaker, and this is what? Battery, and this is what? Electric bulb. So here simply one graphite is given to the battery plus and one should be given to battery minus. This is plus and this is a minus. Clear? So here for example, just imagine now we can keep like this. We are taken two graphite rods, one should be given to positive and one should be given to the negative of the battery through a bulb, is as shown in figure. Clear? So then you can observe, is there any glowing of bulb? The experimental setup should be like this. In this beaker we have two graphite rods, those should be given to the opposite terminals of the battery, and in that circuit what you have? Bulb also there. Now my question is, here is there any possibility for the glowing of bulb? No, because now it is the open circuit. There is no current in the circuit. When the circuit is closed, then only the current will be passes. When the circuit is open, there is no current passes through the circuit. So here now the same thing we are taking here, the same experimental arrangement. We are taking now, this is the beaker. If you can take alcohol solution, this is what? Alcohol solution, C2H5OH solution we are taken. So in that we are keeping like this. Again these two wires are there, those are given to one battery, and from that battery what we are giving some electric bulb, and from that what we are given to the another graphite here. Again we have to check whether the bulb is glowing or not. Clear? So in this case also the bulb do not glow. The bulb will be do not glow. Clear? And now I am doing the same thing. I am doing the same experiment with some HCl. Now this is what? HCl, hydrochloric acid. Clear children? In this case again same experimental arrangement will be there. So again we have to check. In this case the bulb will be glow. The bulb will be glow. Clear? Here my question is, why in case of that alcohol is the bulb does not glow, and in this time the bulb will be glow? When we are taking HCl, the bulb should be glow. What's the reason there? That means when we are taking this C2H5OH alcohol we are taken, then also it should be taken as here open circuit. It seems to be like open circuit. That's why here there is no glowing of bulb. And when we are taking some HCl, I already told you in acids we have so many H plus ions. H plus ions. When the battery is applied to this entire system, what we observe, the charges which are here already HCl solution is there. From that HCl solution H plus ions are separated. H plus ions are separated. H plus ions and H3 plus O ions. Here we are taking some solution. That's why oxygen molecules also will be there. Here due to the moving of these ions from one to the another, H plus Cl minus, H plus Cl minus. That means what? Here for example if it is given to positive, this is now positive, and this is given to negative, this one battery. If you are given positive of the battery, now this is the positive charge, and this is the given to the negative, that's why it is negative charge. When the current passes through the solution, what do you say? The ions are separated. The ions are separated. In those ions which are having positive charge, they are moving towards the negative, and which are having some positive charge, they will move to the negative, and which are having negative charges, they can move to the positive. That means the charges are moving from one rod to the another rod. So that's why now the circuit is closed. Due to that the current will be passes. Simply in case of this activity we can do the same thing with the glucose. So we can use the same solution C6H12O6. Then also the bulb will be does not glows, because here simply when we have acids, in this case only the bulb will be glow, because the charged particles, charged ions will be there. The charged ions should be moving from one rod to the another rod. Due to that only the current will be supplied and the circuit seems to be closed, then the bulb will be glow. Clear? If you can take bases like glucose and ethyl alcohol, then what you have to say? There is no moving of ions between the two graphite rods. When there is moving of graphite rods, then only what you have to say? The bulb will be glow, otherwise the bulb do not glow. So that's why from this activity what you have to decide? If you are taken acid solution, the bulb will be glow. We are taken a solution but the bulb will not glow. That means what? Base solution. Clear? What's the reason for glowing of bulb here? Just moving of ions, H plus ions and H3 plus O ions. So in acids we have number of H plus ions there. That's why they are the responsible for the glowing of the bulb, and the circuit should be taken as closed circuit that time only. Clear? So in this case, if we are taken a more concentrate, for example, we are taking a strong acid, then the intensity of bulb will be more. If you can take some acidic acid, it is a weak acid, that should be having some here. If you can take acidic acid, that should be weaker acid. That means what here? The intensity of bulb will be less. So children, in this activity we can find out the nature of the solution. Very simple. What is that? We have to take some experimental arrangement should be like this. There are two graphite rods there, and they should be giving from the battery along with the bulb. When we are taking some HCl acid, what do you say? Ions are moving towards in between the graphite rods, then the bulb will be closed. So when we are using the acids only, the bulb will be glow, otherwise the bulb will do not glow. So if the bulb will be glow, that solution is what? Acid. If the bulb do not glow, that is the base. Okay children, very simple experiment, but very most important for examination point of view. Children, I hope you understand. We will meet in the next video with next topic. Like and share and comment my video. See you in the next video. Bye.